Are you there? I'm back on the channel. Binance partnership makes Shiba Inu holders rich. I advise to prepare not to work again. Toshi Kusama suggested new ways to promote the Shiba Inu token burning campaign. Developer reports indicate that Shiba is eternal as new burn avenue when the blockchain version of the game is released. This video will show how, through Nancy's collaboration with Shiba Inu coin holders, they can become millionaires and retire from the workforce. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to view our latest content on Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's start with the video. The Shiba Inu is one of the tokens that turned green on September 19 after a rough weekend session that saw the meme token's bearish trend extend to just under 1,000 cents. The failure of launching the Shiba card game in Australia to positively affect the price paved the way for the breakout of the descending triangle pattern. The recovery is likely to be sustainable if SHIB regains the $1,170 support. The highly anticipated iOS version of the card game Eternity became available in Australia over the weekend. The expected release date for the Android version of the game is a few days away. Vampire T. There will be burns from the duration of the game once the blockchain version is available. Upcoming details will explain why the Shiba Eternal is powerful, demanding, and great for Shiba Inu, Shiba Roman 11 holders, and the Shiba Dream. Where will you be when you download the September 17 Twitter message from Satoshi Kusama? The Shiba Inu burn rate reached a new record in the previous week. In the last week alone, about $61,329,300 in great tokens were burned, which increased the burn rate by 42% over the past 24 hours. A total of 61,329,300 great tokens were burned and 9 SHIB burn transactions were posted on Twitter. Despite the increasing burn rate, Shiba's price broke the descending triangle pattern. The chip price was prevented from extending lower by 46.10% below the $1,170 breakdown point by 8 cents by 105 cents support. After the bearish candle posted as low as 0.999 on September 18th. Traders are starting to buy Shiba Inu as a price, which explains the optimistic view of the token meme on Monday. Cube's new high will remain stable until the breakout point of $1,170.08 is restored. Otherwise, losses could increase by 46.11% to $6,300.02. The moving average convergence divergence is giving a bearish signal on the same daily chart. If the moving average convergence divergence MACD continues to move in a negative direction relative to the price of the Shiba Inu, the value of the Shiba Inu will inevitably decrease. Possible support areas are at 0.999 and 0.850 if needed. Downside levels to 0.632 will be checked. The IO chart of the block indicates a strong resistance area between 100 cents and 1,200 cents. This is expected to halt the upward movement of Shiba Inu price around 12,700 addresses, which previously collected 50.76 trillion tokens as Shiba Inu price improves. Holders of this range are likely to sell their break-even points, thus strengthening the resistance. Shiba Inu holders can now breathe a sigh of relief after their coin was the latest victim of the cryptocurrency market crash. Satoshi Kusama has announced that important improvements are coming to the Shiba ecosystem. The improvements, according to Kusama, will be beneficial to the shareholders of Shib Kai and the Shiba farm. Could this upcoming download day provide a struggling Shiba Inu in the current climate the perfect opportunity to rebound despite the Bitcoin carnage? On September 19, SHIB Holdings noticed strange behavior among major crypto whales. A recent update of the whale tracking website reveals that the top 5,000 Ethereum whales own $14,306 million worth of shares. The Shiba Inu burning webpage, SHIBA, mentioned the accelerated rate at which SHIB tokens are being consumed. In light of this, nearly 550 million SHIB tokens have been sent to an expired wallet in the past 8 days. Last week, the burn rate on the 16th rose to 4 figures. This was just a reflection of the dismal state of the meme coin, which continues to trend in unison with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. The price drop was also reflected in the percentage of meme tokens. The ratio is RV. It is approximately 14.38%, indicating that the profitability of the trader has decreased in recent days. However, that has been the norm for the SHIB's iconic enrichment. Shiba Inu's official trading partner is preparing to stir excitement with its new collection and a slew of headline news. Milan Fashion Week is about to start. John Richmond, a famous English designer based in Italy, announced on Twitter that he will be launching his new collection during Milan Fashion Week, which begins on September 20, 2022. Additionally, Shiba Inu is the official business partner of RL, sparking the curiosity of the Shiba Inu community by saying that he will present a slew of important news during the event and by asking the community a question. What are your expectations for this fashion week? In his tweet, John Richmond writes that the next Milan Fashion Week is fast approaching, and the city is already buzzing with anticipation. So, John Richmond is set to unveil his new collection. There's a wealth of exciting news on the horizon. What are your expectations for this fashion week? Shiba Farms, a Layer 2 blockchain solution that was initially launched by Yoshi, founder of the Shiba Inu coin One chip. The tokens will be transferred to the L2 blockchain. Rossi first used the term blockchain. Sumerium is likely to be an L2 blockchain located on the existing blockchain. The ship's designer notes that the boundary between L2 and the private blockchain is thin. What is the real difference between Matic, L2, and BSC? It is important to note that Shiba Farms is not its own blockchain, and does not mean that Shiba Inu 2.0 tokens are imminent. SHIB will continue to be associated with Ethereum. One of the main goals will be to reduce transaction fees for participants in the Shiba ecosystem. Despite Bayer's dominance, the market did not expect the bullish trend to start in March. Shiba Inu has recovered part of this year's losses and is currently trading above the 20 and 50-day exponential moving averages. However, it must maintain its momentum to overcome the short resistance level. According to forecast, SHIB may see a 100% increase this month. Shiba Inu recently appeared on Netcoins, an online cryptocurrency brokerage that facilitates the buying, selling, and storage of cryptocurrency in Canada. In addition to fashion, brands like John Richmond have introduced SHIB and leash burns to increase token value, buying Shiba Inu tokens in massive quantities. On March 30 alone, more than 621 billion shares were purchased by the 80 largest whales. Society became aware. The Shiba Inu fork was made by an AI-powered crypto research company called Phone. The company expects SHIB to reach $9.61 by 2050. SHIB is expected to reach a new era by 2025. Based on the analysis, these results are after acquiring Bitcoin Bid. Analysts predict that the Shiba Inu will be 80 years old by 2040. And that ends the day. Don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to view our latest material.